Today I'm going to tell you about how to validate your email ID and your mobile number. Many of you are asking that how to validate means suppose if you want to add only your phone number with 10 digits, then how you will do. And in email ID means @ should be mandatory. So how you will do in your Google form. Just I'm showing you one example. uh, Open your drive, Gmail drive, then right click, open one Google form. See, I have opened one Google form here. So just suppose test mobile number and email ID. Suppose mobile number. So here you will get many options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down. Many options are there. So as it is mobile number, so I put this short answer type kind of. Then here you can see this after required 3 dots are there. Choose response validation. Here see number and greater than these things are there. So in number, here you choose this regular expression. Here you choose matches. Okay, matches. Here you choose pattern. Now suppose in pattern you need to identify how many numbers are there. So mobile numbers means you can write here within third bracket, you can write 0 to 9. Okay, and you are having 10 digits, means total 10 digits it can support. So 10 into within second bracket you need to write 10. So in third bracket I need to give 0 to 9 and within second bracket I have put only 10. So this field is required. And next one, what I have written here, like email ID. In email ID also you need to go to response validation. Here you write regular expression. In regular expression you need to write matches, or do one thing, write here text. Okay, text. Next you write here email. Okay, so in mobile number what I have choose regular expression, and in email ID what I have choose text and email. Okay, this field is required. So what I have to do now, I need to check whether this is right or not. Now go to preview section. Here you see this mobile number. Suppose I am going to put like 456 123 564 1 and 2. See, this is showing must match pattern, means say as this is digits, beyond of 10 digits, so this is showing error. You can do one thing, you can write here custom text message option is there. Here you write like put 10 digits only, 10 digits only. Here also you write put correct email ID. Okay, see here also again I am going to refresh this. See here, suppose 456 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. See what happened, put 10 digits only. This error has come. Now suppose I am going to remove and I am going to put only 10 digits number. So total digits are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Last 2 digits I am going to delete. See, now 10 digits are there, so I am not getting any error here. In email ID as well, suppose test, suppose you forgot to put your Gmail ID, means at the rate you didn't put, then what will happen? Just check. Suppose gmail.com, say put correct email ID. Suppose if I am going to write here this one at the rate, then see exact value has come. So this is the way you can do this mobile number and email ID validation in your Google form. Very simple and easiest way. So that's all. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel to get more updates. This is the part 2. So I am going into depth in next session. Thank you.